Welcome to MAS Technical Zone Electromechanical Private Limited. Today we are going to start online course on HVAC designing and drafting using international standards as American Society Heating, Refrigeration, Air Conditioner Engineers. So let we start. The construction industry is divided into two parts, civil and MEP. In civil there are two parts, structural and architectural. In MEP there are three parts, mechanical, electrical, plumbing. In mechanical the HVAC and firefighting is involved. So our topic HVAC comes under mechanical. So let we start. What is HVAC? HVAC stands for heating, ventilation and air conditioning system. HVAC consists of three major parameters: temperature control, relative humidity and indoor air quality. HVAC system is especially important for medium building, large building like office, residential and industrial, aerospace, etc. All preferably integrated into the one system. In warm climate has usually no need of heating system. This was the short definition of HVAC. Briefly we will explain in the next part. Subscribe our channel by scanning the QR code given. Like, share, comment. Thank you.